Hi everyone, the next figure we'll unbox is Tanjiro Kamado from Kimetsu no Yaiba or Demon Slayer by Banpresto, but this time it is from the Vibration Star lineup. So let's check the box. As you can see, there's the logo of Banpresto, Bandai, and Kimetsu no Yaiba, and it is written Vibration Stars. This box itself is big and heavier compared to others. So let's take a closer look. There's the image of Tanjiro. By the way, the box itself, the aesthetic is really cool. So at the side, so at the back, Kimetsu no Yaiba logo, Tanjiro, and a calligraphy or Japanese kanji. It's written manufactured by Bandai Spirits. So at the other sides. So at the top, there's the logo of Kimetsu no Yaiba, Japanese calligraphy. And there should be 3 seals at the top. 1, 2, 3. So at the bottom, 1, 2, 3. By the way, I already unboxed the figure. So when you open the box, this is what you see. So this is the parts of the figure. There are all in all 6 parts. The head, the upper body, the lower body, and the sheath, the base, the stand, and the sword. I already removed the sword because it is slightly bent. So because of the packaging, and I can fix it later. So this is the sword itself. The handle of the sword is very soft. So be careful. So let me remove the plastics. So these are all the parts of the figure. So let's start assembling it. First, let's take a look at the base. It's written made in China, Bandai Spirits. And start putting it in. This is the lower body and the upper body. It requires force. Just wait a minute. I put it and it requires a lot of force. So let's put the head. So as you can see, the figure itself is really cool. I really love it. And let's put it on the stand. So I'll put the sword later because I will fix it later. So as you can see, this is really cool. I really love it. By the way, just by looking at it, I can say that the figure is really good. So I will put the sword later. I will fix it. And let's take a closer look. As you can see, his face, the details of his face is really good. Sorry about the noise. His earrings is not that bad. His hair, it's actually really good. I love this figure. So his haori, the paint job is actually nice. This is my very first Vibration Star figure, so I really like it. His legs, feet, so as you can see, his hands, the details of this figure is excellent. So let's measure the height of the product. So let's measure the height of the figure from the base to the head. So it is 7.5 inches or more than 7.5. Let me compare all to you the Tanjiro Kamado figures that I have. So both of these figures are from Banpresto, but this one is from the DXF lineup and this one from the Vibration Stars. And about this big figure, this is from Sega. So if you want a bigger figure, I would recommend this. If you want smaller than this, but if you let me choose for the most premium figures, I would recommend these two. But for me, the better details is this one. Don't get me wrong, all of them are very great figures. I love all of them. So let's take a closer look. So first, let's start from the Sega. As you can see, this is a big figure. The details are good. This one is on the fighting position, and also this one. This is from the Vibration Stars. As you can see, also in the fighting position. So both of them are really great figures when it comes to details. So this is the DXF. This is the smallest figure. All of them are great figures. This figure is really good. The details and everything is excellent. So I will rate this figure at perfect 1, 10 out of 10. I can't wait for other characters of Banpresto by the Vibration Stars lineup. So thank you everyone for watching.